Hello, and welcome to the City of Gardena Parks and Recreation Master Plan Workshop 1 video. My name is Zachary Meeting, and I'll be walking you through the presentation. The purpose of the Parks and Recreation Master Plan is to develop a guide or an implementation tool for the successful management and development of parks and recreation facilities within the city. Most importantly, this guide is based on local community needs. It offers recommendations specific to the community of Gardena. The process is based on 5 steps. First, the inventory of existing conditions, extensive community outreach and engagement, needs analysis, recommendations, and funding and implementation. Over approximately 11 months, we'll go through these processes, starting from the early investigations of the existing infrastructure all the way to the reporting period. Here we are today at our first workshop. Previous existing documents that we'll go through include the City of Gardena General Plan, existing open space elements, land use, zoning maps, as well as any previous studies. One of the elements we look at are the existing demographics for the City of Gardena. In 2022, population was just above 61,000. You can see the different age breakdowns on the right, with 38% of the residents being between the age of 35 to 64. As we go through the inventory of parks and facilities, we see there are several recreation elements available to the community, including 1 parkette, 6 parks with community buildings, 2 skate parks, 2 gymnasiums, the Willows Wetland Preserve, community center, and new buildings under construction, including an aquatic center as well as a senior center. Additionally, when we look at the inventory of parks and facilities, we compare that on a mapping analysis tool, where we compare the land use, where residents live, as well as the parks, to see the intersection between people and parks. Looking at the inventory of programs, we see there are a myriad of options that people can use to take part within the programming elements. Programs such as after-school programs, adult and youth sports, aquatics, classes, including dance and gymnastics, day camps, rental of facilities, senior programs and services, special events, teen programs, as well as therapeutic recreation programs. After reviewing all of the inventory and existing conditions and programs that are available, we reach out to the community in an extensive community engagement effort. Elements such as a dedicated project website with feedback capabilities, stakeholder interviews, community workshops, as well as a statistically valid multimodal survey are all tools in which we will go out to the community to hear your voice. At any point in time, you can visit the project website by going to thecityofgardena.org/masterplan. This is a dedicated project portal where we'll share information as we develop it, including some of the inventory, community outreach. You have a community voice section. There's a feedback button on there you can click to share any thoughts and ideas you may have directly with the design and planning team. The survey for this Workshop 1 will be available from August 18th through September 3rd. Click on the link below. Make sure to share it with your friends and community members so everybody can have their voice heard. Also, remember to attend Workshop number 2, coming up September 27th at 6 p.m. at the Nakaoka Community Center. You can also scan the QR code on your screen to help shape the future of Gardena. Share your thoughts and ideas with the entire planning team. Thanks for watching this video presentation. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and ideas as we continue the development of the Gardena Parks and Recreation Master Planning effort.